Good evening. I'm John Lee from Camas. Thank you so much for your public service. I too am here to speak against the electronic fare collection system agreement that you're going to consider tonight with Portland's TriMet. My main concern is that that agency, by every measure possible, is on its way to bankruptcy. Numerous external studies have said that, including their own board of directors, that they would have to cut 70% of their bus service not later than 2025 if they don't radically restructure their cost system. There have been other analyses by John Charles, the Cascade Policy Institute, saying that their financial demise and a possible bankruptcy could occur as early as 2017. It makes no sense to me why anybody would engage in a long-term contract, and apparently this obligation gives them up to about 6 years to come through and develop their system. Why would we spend over $500,000 of our money on something that may not bear fruition for 4, 5, 6 years, number one? And number two, if they're in bankruptcy, our money is thrown down a rabbit hole that we never get back. Finally, I don't think we can trust TriMet. A year ago, this board was not presented a secret agreement that ceded eminent domain authority from Clark over Southwest Washington citizens' private property to TriMet, along with the $5 million penalty that was absolutely outrageous. The citizens had no knowledge of this obligation, and now we are on the hook for that. We politely asked earlier last summer if TriMet would revoke that agreement, would terminate it, and they not so politely thumbed their nose at us. And now you are having to spend private citizens' money, the taxpayers of Clark County money, to try and get that agreement rescinded. That is an outrage. Finally, 3 years ago, you asked us for a sales tax increase that was for essential bus service only. Well, this does not seem to be essential. And if our financial situation is good enough that we can spend money on an electronic fare collection system, then I think we should rescind that sales tax because you no longer need it. Please reject this agreement. Thank you.